Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Thank you for writing your name at the top of your paper. Today we are going to be working on alphabetical order. Our directions say, write each of your spelling words in alphabetical order. With alphabetical order, boys and girls, we are only looking at the first letter in the word. So our first word is lunch, but we are going to focus on that L. Our next word is push. We are going to focus on only the P in push. Our next word is chin. What first letter do you see? That's right, it's a C. Our next word is shift. We're going to focus on that S. Put, P. Next row, such, S. Shut, focusing on the S. Take, focusing on the T. Splash, focus on the S. And wish, focusing on the W. Now we're going to go through our alphabet. You have an alphabet on your name tag at the top of your desk. You'll want to look at that often. Do we have any words that start with the letter A? No, we do not. So we're going to go to the next letter in the alphabet, B. Do we have any words that start with B? No, we do not. Do we have any words that start with the letter C? Oh, yes, we have one right here. We have chin. Do we have any other words that start with the letter C? Nope. So that means chin is our first word in the alphabet. Chin. Very nice. Now we're going to move on to the letter D. Any letters that start with D? What about any words that start with the letter E? Nope. Any words that start with F? Nope. What about G? Nope. H? Any words that start with the letter H? I? Nope. What about J? Any words that start with the letter J? K? Nope, none of them start with K. What about L? Oh, yes, we do have a word that starts with L. Lunch. Do we have any other words that start with L? Nope, just the one. So that means lunch comes next. But moving on after L, we have the letter M that comes in the alphabet. Do any of our words start with the letter M? Nope. What about N? No. No words that start with N. What about O? Any words start with O? Nope. What about P? Oh, yes, we have push. Do we have any other words that start with P? Yes, we do. We have put. Now, when you have two words that start with the same letter, you need to go to the second letter. So right here we have a U and a U. Well, U is the same letter as well, so we need to go to the third letter. We have an S and a T. Does an S or a T come first in the alphabet? Can you find an S on your name tag? Can you find a T on your name tag? Which one comes first? That's right, S comes before T on our alphabet. So we're going to write push first. And then we're going to write put. All right, we're going to move on. Any words that start with Q? Any words that start with R? Any words that start with S? Yep, we have shift, such, shut, and splash. Wow, we have 4 S words. So we need to go now to our second letter. This one has an H, such has a U, shut has an H, and splash has a P. So you can see by looking at my second letter, I have 2 H's, a U, and a P. I know that the letter H comes before U and P in the alphabet. So then I need to go to the third letter, U and I. Does U or I come first in the alphabet? Please look on your alphabet on your name tag. That's right, I comes first. We're going to write shift first. Shift. Then we have the word shut. Shut. Now I need to go back to my other words that start with the letter S. I have a U in such and a P in splash. I know that P comes before U, so I'm going to write splash on number 7. Sp, s, p, l, a, sh, splash. And then my 8th word is such. S, ch, such. Then I need to look at my my 2 last words. I have a word that starts with T and a word that starts with W. Does T or W come first in the alphabet? That's right. T comes first. So I'm going to write take on number 9. And my last word is wish. W, I, sh, wish. Way to go, boys and girls. I know alphabetical order can be hard and confusing sometimes, but we just need to remember to always look at the first letter to help get us organized. And we'll do this more throughout the year, and you will get stronger, faster, better. Turn your paper over, please. All right, my friends, today we are working with the consonant digraph, SH. SH says shh. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Thank you for writing your name at the top of your paper. On our word box here, we're going to color the SH words. So the word slush has the SH digraph. When, no SH digraph. Shower, there's that SH digraph. Gush. Our next line down, bath. Dash. Such. Whiz. Shelf. Oh, there's that SH digraph right there at the initial part of the word. Fish. SH digraph at the final part of the word. Cash. and should. All right, the next section down, you will need a paperclip for spin, read, and write. Then we have the word bank at the bottom with our SH digraphs: gush, dash, shelf, cash, slush. When you're finished with your paper, please turn it into the daily 5 mailbox and move on to Lexia. Way to go today. You did great.